Hi everyone, Jamie from Jamie's Place. I wanna make an update. I will buy some products from Wish.com. I wanna make an update before making the video because Wish.com is known for exposure. Wish.com is also known for being very long to arrive to the doors to the customers. So I want to make this update because it's going to take a few months before I'm going to make the unboxing. But stay tuned for a Wish.com unboxing with 10 products. So stay tuned. Now up to this unboxing. See ya! Welcome to part 2. So, the second package arrived. No, again, it's boring, but it's the last boring unboxing. Well, maybe some people like unboxing of Apple accessories. I personally like them. Their boxes are very funny and cute. And good to store, but I bought 2 lightning cables. Sometimes you need to buy a new cable, so let's unbox them. Some paperwork. Box empty. Oh, no, not empty, not empty. Now empty. Let's do with the second box. Okay. Again, paperwork. 2 empty boxes, just to peel off this thingy. I'm gonna close the lid. Okay, that's one. Now the second one. I want to break the boxes. Okay. And now the cables. Sorry for the dogs. So let's see, you open them on this side. Yes, and then this one as well. Okie dokie. And let's do the same with the second cable. Okie dokie. They're more environment friendly but harder to open. Okay. There we go. 2 1 meter long white Apple lightning cables. Well, this was my unboxing of the cables. There you go. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and as always, see you next time.